So guys, I'm going home and I'll be back later. Hello. So basically what happened, I went home as I said, then I fed him. Now we are at his nursery. So we are a bit early, another 2-3 minutes they'll open. So we are still in the car. I just want to update you guys. This is what happened. I fed him and we are here. So when I drop him now, I'm going all the way back to where I was coming from. You know what I mean, guys? To get the fridge sorted. I've measured it and all that. It's perfect. You know, the one I want is just the perfect size. So that is it, just to keep you guys up to date. Love you guys, and I'll see you when I get there. Or I might not too, but I'll try. Okay guys, love you guys. Bye. Say bye-bye. Peace. Peace be with you. Wow.
Mommy, how many shall we take?
How many do you feel?
5.
Omoluabi should take. These are the bread. Do you guys need bread?
Yeah, I'll take a penny.
These are the bread.
How many stuff are we allowed to take from the bakery?
How many do you want to take?
I wanted a donut.
You want what?
A donut.
Yeah, take donut. So I brought the girls to Lidl and we are at the bakery side. Yes, darling? Yeah, we're gonna get it. So we are at the bakery side and they are just getting some cookies, some bread. What is that? Let me show you guys. What's this?
Yeah, so if you have like this type of bread, for example, put it you put it there,
Oh,
you
okay,
close
that
it,
is the...
and then you press how thick you want it, and then it'll start.
So guys, today is the day. Today is Tuesday and I'm expecting my fridge today. Yeah, because I went to order it last Wednesday and they told me they'll bring it on Tuesday, and today is Tuesday. And they've even sent me a message this morning that they are bringing it between 7 and 9. Just came to pick them up, and then from here we'll be going home. And guess what, guys? My fridge is arriving today. Yes! So I'm so excited. It's arriving around 7 o'clock. So we're excited. We'll be able to buy all the sausage, all the fresh milk. You know, I'll be able to cook. I don't have to be cooking every day. I'm looking forward to that. So I'll see you guys when we get home. Love you guys. Hello guys. We just came home. I just came home from school runs and I'm making dinner. This is what I'm making for the children, for the girls. Let me show you guys what I'm making. Beef burger for them. And I'm also making aubergine swallow for myself. And I have this small oven because my big oven is not working. So I have to... I hope this does not spoil my... It's good. Let me put this inside belly before my swallow be ready. You know, I need energy to look after 3 kids, guys. Seriously, energy for 3 kids. Guys, my aubergine swallow is ready and I'm about to eat now and I'm so excited. You know, guys, let me show you guys. This is my aubergine swallow and ogbono and okra. Can you guys see? It look like amala. You guys can imagine. And can you see? I can finish all of this. And I like what I'm eating because by end of the day, it's just like vegetable. Instead of me having amala or pounded yam, fufu, you know, I'm having this. And by next morning, all is digest in my tummy. So that's it, guys. That's what I'm doing. That's helping me with my weight loss, and I'm happy. As you guys can see, I'm really happy. So that's it. I like using my hand. You know, when you use your hand, you enjoy the food better. So that's it, guys. And I'm waiting for my fridge. I want to eat quick before those people come. Well, when they come now, I won't be able to enjoy your food. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this vlog. This vlog will be continued. You know, guys, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.